Today we are going to introduce the taillight assembly of the Nilight. This taillight assembly fit for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram. Let's take a look together now. Open the box. You can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. The instruction manual includes operation steps and precautions. When installing, please use gloves to reduce fingerprint marks on the taillight mirror surface. This helps maintain the mirror's clarity and cleanliness. Includes taillight assembly on driver side and passenger side. Equipped with LED bulbs for improved brightness. The taillight comes with built-in wiring harness and buckles, making installation quick and easy. Simply just plug and play.